Hi folks, Noah Hallett here with a quick update to a video I made recently about Avada and WordPress. In that video, I talked about how to fix the issue where your background blend mode isn't working. And just to talk about what that is again, looking at the website I'm working on, just to pull this up. So here we've got a large gallery photo, fills up the background, but it's faded so it doesn't stand out too much. And so you get a nice readability on text on the homepage on the website that overlays it, takes some of the attention away from it, makes it a little bit less dramatic. It's a really nice way to blend in your background photos and add some decoration without it being overwhelming. So just to talk through how that works, the first thing you need is a background itself. And I think I have that here. Yeah, there we go. And just to kind of talk back through that again, all I did was go to my container. Now here I've got a single column right in the middle, but I'm looking for that photo to cover the entire width of the website. So of course I need to go to my edit pen here and then go to background and then look at the image here. So I've uploaded the image. I've got a spacer in there, so you saw that curved cutout in the bottom of it. But then you also saw the fade, and then what the feature I'm talking about is this background blend mode all the way on the bottom. Now this will change how visual effects are applied to the photo. But the key piece that I was missing before is that it only changes how the photo interacts with the background color behind it. If you haven't applied a background color, nothing will work. None of the overlay blend modes will actually show any difference whatsoever. So I said incorrectly that you had to do this in the Avada Live Builder. That was not the case. You can do it either here in WordPress or in the Avada Live Builder. Same thing there. I'll click here, go to background by the icon this time. And then here I've got your different options. And then once you click on the image, then you can see the background blend mode options. Now I personally really like overlay, but you can see that it's overlaying on this bright blue photo with kind of a cream color, and it's doing that because my background color is cream. So you can interact both with the background and then also with a gradient, either or both. So you could have a gradient in the back, like black to white, and then another color on top of that. So you can do a lot of different combinations of blend effects there. But again, you have to have some sort of background color applied before your background blend mode will do anything. So that's the key piece I was missing. Wanted to go ahead and clarify that and replace the video just so it didn't cause any confusion in the future. Hope this is helpful. If you run into any other questions, please do sing out.